twist today in a former sheriff deputy's murder trial.
Michael Moore now says he shot his father after his father argued with his mother and then shot his mother. 9 on Your Side reporter Jay Warren is live in Burlington. Jay, this was quite the revelation today.
It was indeed, Tanya. Michael Moore has maintained since 2009 that an intruder broke into his parents' home and shot both of them, as well as shooting him in the leg. Today, he says, though, that his father shot his mother and that he shot his father in a struggle. Michael Moore was hooked on pain medication, says the Commonwealth's attorney, and that he would steal his mother's prescriptions to feed his habit. The Commonwealth also says that Moore lied about going to Atlanta with his parents' car and money to finalize a divorce, and instead went on a local drug binge.
And that's when things really started to come apart. Because when he gets back from this imaginary Atlanta trip, people start to figure out that, things aren't what they seem.
The Commonwealth's attorney said Moore was living in two worlds, and they came crashing together in the murder of his parents.
Even though he painted himself as a devoted son in these early interviews with Detective Mullins, that wasn't exactly the truth. The truth is, the defendant was living a lie. The defendant was in reality disabled, unemployed, and leeching off everyone that cared about him.
Today's bombshell came when Moore's attorney alleged that Moore's father, Warren, argued with his wife and told her not to give their son any more drugs, but then shot her.
And he walked down the hall and he looked into the kitchen and he saw his mom on the floor and she wasn't moving.
Joan Lynch, Moore's attorney, then suggested her client and his father struggled after his mother had been shot.
Michael had wrestled the gun away. And Michael sort of fell against the wall and he fired as his dad was falling. And then when his dad was on the floor, he fired again. Michael killed his dad, but he's not a murderer.
Now on the witness stand today, a 911 dispatcher and a couple of sheriff's deputies testifying about the facts in the case. Coming up at 6 o'clock, hear Michael Moore's explanation as to why he lied to investigators. Jay Warren, 9 on Your Side, Burlington.